Tom will do that again tomorrow. Tom will do that again tomorrow. Tom will help me do that later. Tom will help me do that later. Tom won't have to do that again. Tom won't have to do that again. Tom won't have to do that alone. Tom won't have to do that alone. Tom won't try to do that today. Tom won't try to do that today. Tom won't want Mary to do that. Tom won't want Mary to do that. Tom wouldn't ask you to do that. Tom wouldn't ask you to do that. Tom, did you do that too? Tom, did you do that too? We expected Tom to do that. We expected Tom to do that. We know Tom didn't do that. We know Tom didn't do that. Who did Tom think would do that? Who did Tom think would do that? Who did Tom want to do that with? Who did Tom want to do that with? Who does Tom think will do that? Who does Tom think will do that? Who knows when Tom will do that? Who knows when Tom will do that? You need to tell Tom to do that. You need to tell Tom to do that. Are you going to let Tom do that? Are you going to let Tom do that? Both Tom and I'd like to do that. Both Tom and I'd like to do that. How did you get Tom to do that? How did you get Tom to do that? I asked Tom not to do that. I asked Tom not to do that. I believe that Tom can do that. I believe that Tom can do that. I didn't know Tom would do that. I didn't know Tom would do that. I didn't think Tom could do that. I didn't think Tom could do that. I heard that Tom didn't do that. I heard that Tom didn't do that. I hope Tom will help me do that. I hope Tom will help me do that. I hope Tom won't have to do that. I hope Tom won't have to do that. I knew Tom would want to do that. I knew Tom would want to do that. I know Tom would hate to do that. I know Tom would hate to do that. I should show Tom how to do that. I should show Tom how to do that. I shouldn't have let Tom do that. I shouldn't have let Tom do that. I think I should let Tom do that. I think I should let Tom do that. I think that Tom should do that. I think that Tom should do that. I think Tom will do that for me. I think Tom will do that for me. I thought Tom shouldn't do that. I thought Tom shouldn't do that. I told Tom I couldn't do that. I told Tom I couldn't do that. I'm pretty sure Tom will do that. I'm pretty sure Tom will do that. I'm sure Tom didn't do that. I'm sure Tom didn't do that. I'm sure Tom will let you do that. I'm sure Tom will let you do that. Is Tom still allowed to do that? Is Tom still allowed to do that? Please tell Tom I won't do that. Please tell Tom I won't do that. Possibly Tom won't do that. Possibly Tom won't do that. They say that Tom didn't do that. They say that Tom didn't do that. Tom and I have to do that again. Tom and I have to do that again. Tom and Mary both had to do that. Tom and Mary both had to do that. Tom apparently likes to do that. Tom apparently likes to do that. Tom asked if he had to do that. Tom asked if he had to do that. Tom believes that he can do that. Tom believes that he can do that. Tom can do that for you, I think. Tom can do that for you, I think. Tom couldn't get Mary to do that. Tom couldn't get Mary to do that. Tom didn't do that correctly. Tom didn't do that correctly. Tom didn't do that fast enough. Tom didn't do that fast enough.